là cuối cùng cũng nhận được cái hàng này. Mình đi bộ 700m giữa trời trưa nắng là ra lấy lại cả đá. Finally, after 3 months,
a long time, a long time.
my silver play button. I will open from America, Asiana Airlines. What the fuck is that? How can? Biên lai thu thuế và lệ phí thông quan. How can I open this? Okay.
How come?
Yeah. I don't fucking care.
What the fuck is that?
Invoice. Okay. Check information. Oh. Yes. Okay. What the fuck is it? YouTube, you have done something very few YouTube creator accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscriber to the channel. We know number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope you don't lose sight in really behind that 6-digit milestone. Okay, who the fuck is Susan? Who's this key? Here is just a photocopy. Just a photocopy. It's not his. Chữ ký là gì? Signature đúng không? Signature. Fuck you.
A very important moment in my life.
Can I eat?
Wow! Nice! It's nice!
I don't know how to hack this button. I have to hack it. Oh, it's not stable.
my box.
Nice. But don't have LED here. Susan Wojcicki, I love you.
Fuck you, I love you. I love
Susan Wojcicki.
you. Want to give you fast food it next to
Super. Okay. You here.
it's always
Finally, I want to say thank you for all of you. Thank for spend me your time of your life. 6 minutes, 7 minutes of your life will never come back.
or even 30 seconds.
I will make more amazing life hack. I will cook eggs, I cook chicken, cook everything. Susan Wojcicki, I love you.
Fuck you, I love you. I love
Susan Wojcicki.
Want to give you fast